Assalamu alaikum. Honors second year student, Department of Bangla, Political Science, Islamic History and Culture, History, Philosophy Law, and Economics. Honors second year students. Without it, degree pass third year students. Without it, HSC second year students. I hope all of you are well. In my previous classes, I had taken a class on article on A and N. Today I am going to take a lesson or class on rules or uses of the. Okay, rules or uses of the. The is used before the name of rivers such as the Ganga, the Jamuna, the Buriganga, etc. The name of gulfs such as the Persian Gulfs. The name of seas such as the Black Sea or Dead Sea. The name of mountains such as Himalayas or group of islands such as the Andaman. The name of ship such as the Viceroy. The name of newspapers such as the Daily Star, the Independent, the Kalir Kontho, or the descriptive geographical or significant names such as the Punjab, the Deccan, the USA, the UK, or names of holy books such as the Quran, the Bible, the Gita, or names of noted public places and important events such as the secretariats, the cinema, the theatre, the High Court, the Senate House, the French Revolution, the Reformation, etc. or the name before the name of trains, planes or break up such as the Shirazganj Express train, plane, the Bangladesh Biman or the Apollo 11, etc. All these are name, and before this name you have to use the. Number 2, singular common noun to represent a whole class. For example, cows eat grass. Cows eat grass. Here, cow represent or indicate whole classes of cow. That's why before the cow you have to use the. Another example is dog is a faithful animal. Here dog represent the whole classes of dog. That's why you have to use before dog the. Number 3, superlatives degree. Araf is best boy. Here best is a superlative from. That's why you have to use the here. Number 4, comparatives. Comparative can be used by two ways: as adverb, as contrast. As adverb, the more the merrier, or the more you read, the more you learn. Here there is makes a comparison between two adverbs. Number 2, as contrast, he is the cleverer of the two boys. Here makes a comparison between two boys. Number 5, a national name with a plural notion. Notion mean information to indicate a people collectively or jointly, such as English are industrious. Here English means all English people. That's why you have to use the here or the. The here you have to use the because E is a vowel and before a vowel you have to pronounce the. That's why the English are industrious. Another example is Bangladeshi are brave. Here you have to use the because Bangladeshi means all people of Bangladesh. Number 6, adjective with a plural notion or information to indicate a whole class of persons such as rich are not always happy. Here rich means rich people. That's why you have to use the here. Another example is honest prosper in life. Here honest indicate the whole classes of honest people. That's why you have to use here the. Number 7, common noun as are suitable for the possessive adjective or before possessive adjective you have to use the possessive form are my, our, your, his, their, her, etc. Here is an example. I struck him on his head, and you have to use before possessive the. Another example is I pulled the boy by his hand. His is a possessive form. That's why you have to use before possessive the. Number 8, noun to indicate a profession. Profession, he joined the bar or the church. Here bar means to become a lawyer, a church means clergyman. These two are profession. That's why you have to use the before bar and before the church. Okay. Number 9, some adjective and common nouns in the singular number to express an abstract idea. For example, mother in her could not bear the sight. Here mother means motherly feelings. Motherly feelings is an abstract idea, and that's why you have to use here the. Then the sentence is the mother in her could not bear the sight. Another example is check beast in you. Here beast means animal like nature. That's why you have to use the before beast. Number 10, adjective to indicate particular parts of thing. For example, she likes yellow of an egg. Yellow means kusum. Yellow is a part of an egg. That's why before yellow you have to use the. Another example is he entered thick of the forest. The forest is a large area. A thick is a part of a forest. That's why you have to use the before thick. Number 11, ordinal number written in letters, but when written in Roman letters, no article is used. George the fifth, article number ordinal means first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. George the fifth. Fifth is an ordinal number. That's why you have to use the here. Birds George 5. George 5, here 5 is a Roman word. That's why you need not any article. Second chapter, second is a ordinal number. That's why before second you have to use the. But chapter 2 is a Roman number or letter, so we need not any kind of article. Number 11, the name of musical instrument, he plays piano, guitar, and before this musical instrument you have to use the number 12. Number 13, the plural names of families. Mughals is a plural name and you have to use before the. Pathans is a plural family names, that's why you have to use before it the. Number 14, singular numbers referring to things of which only one exists or has. That means the thing which has only one thing in the world, and you have to use the before it, such as or for example earth, the sun, the sky, etc. Here the sun is only one thing in the world. Okay, thank you very much for staying with this class. You can watch this class in my YouTube channel English with Ashraful. Till then you are well. Okay.